Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use GNC weight gainer for beginners. Start by measuring 1 scoop, mix with 8 to 12 ounces of liquid, and drink after workouts or between meals. Track daily calories and protein so you reach your goals without excess fat. Begin with 1 serving per day and increase slowly if you need more calories, while keeping whole foods in your routine for balanced nutrition. Start by choosing a shaker or blender to make a smooth shake that you enjoy drinking. Time your shake after workouts for recovery or between meals to hit calorie targets without filling up on low-nutrient foods. Consider adding oats, banana, or a spoon of peanut butter for more calories and convenient nutrients. Gradually increase servings only if weight gain stalls, and keep tracking progress with photos and simple weekly weigh-ins. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for music, timers, and workout prompts right where you train. It's a small, affordable way to boost motivation and keep your routine on track. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Focus on consistent small changes rather than drastic shifts to reduce unwanted fat gain while using a gainer. Check your weight and how clothes fit weekly, and aim for steady increases like half to 1 pound per week. Keep protein, vegetables, and complex carbs in your diet to support muscle growth and overall health. If you have concerns or pre-existing conditions, get guidance from a healthcare professional before increasing calories significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.